You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly, British English and in American English. It's a tiny difference. Let's see if you can hear it. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. I've got many at the end of the video. The British English pronunciation UK. Ovule, ovule, stress on the first syllable. The American English pronunciation is slightly different as ovule. It's a bit more open sound. Ovule, American English, or ovule, British English. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.